Hi YouTubers, this is Storm and Logan, and today I will be taking the State Park Trail. It's going to be an adventure. Even I don't know what's up ahead. This is actually my first time coming around here. Stay tuned, I'm expecting some wild stuff.
Logan, oh, sorry. I don't want to interrupt your YouTube.
We're getting some amazing views already, because it looks like there's an archway split on the mountain over there. I don't know if we'll be going up there, but I suggest we should just continue following the trail for a while. Oh, come on, plane sounds in the middle of a nature hike. Looks like over there you could see a cabin. I wonder what it was used for. But according to the trail, it doesn't look like we're supposed to access it. So yeah, I've already seen the museum, and well, it's got me inspired for something to build in Planet Coaster 2. As if I didn't have enough ideas already. Oh my god, why did I should have put this on a live stream. I should have put this on a live stream.
You can do it over. People do videos over 10 times before they get it right.
Oh, maybe we could do it on the way back, actually.
Okay.
Maybe I could live stream on the way back.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that one.
What one?
That desert plant right in front of you.
Right in front of me?
Right here.
Yeah.
Wow. That's like the spikiest desert plant I've ever seen.
I would say so. Well, Simon introduced you to who I'm walking with. This is my grandma Christina.
Hello.
Anyway, looks like we're getting closer to the mountains. Better stay tuned, folks.
Look, Logan, there's a sand dune and I see animal tracks
Animal tracks.
in the sand dune. What could they be?
Either it could be like it could be a coyote, it could be a horse, it could be any sort of large animal, medium to large size. I mean, they're too large to be rodent, yet too small to be human as well, and too weirdly shaped. Looks like we're starting to go uphill. Or at least it feels like it is on my... That's good. I don't know how long this video will be. I guess it'll all depend on how long the trail is. And then I'll live stream the way back.
I need some water.
All right. Looks like I could see town from up here. Yeah. I don't think that's Lancaster, but let's just keep going. Alright, judging by this next turn, we could be getting closer to the big rocky mountain here. It's very windy. It's kind of what makes it unpredictable. You could hear the birds. And whatever's making that loud sound in the sky. And I think I saw some crows flying up above there. Yep, there's crows up there. Wonder what they're doing. I don't know, it's probably something. There's either a nest up there or something got unalived. Oh, snake! Snake!
Oh, it's a rattlesnake. Okay? And it's just scared and it's protecting itself. So we're going to back up. You go backwards. Go backwards. And now it's going to go away. Take a picture of it if you can. Wasn't it beautiful? Good job, Logan.
You couldn't imagine that. No, I'm
Is
not.
that your first rattlesnake?
That's probably the first rattlesnake
Video
I've
it, or-
probably the first rattlesnake I've ever seen.
Yeah, I've seen 2 before in Wrightwood.
It almost looked like it was. It almost looked like it wanted to strike me.
Well, that's because you scared the snake.
So we kind of scared each other.
Yeah. Oh, we won't hurt you, snake. You go back into your
Yeah.
home.
Yeah, I
Get
was just
some
yeah,
good food.
yeah. I hope. I wish you a Merry Christmas, rattlesnake.
Yeah. It's a baby one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They get this
Fun
big.
fact, I play with Minecraft mods, and rattlesnake was one of the creatures in that mod.
Okay.
Yeah,
We'll just
it rattles at
so
you, and you better
stop, and then you go back.
Yeah, it rattles at you, and then you gotta like get away from it, or it'll
Yes.
poison you.
Yes.
And I think that almost happened to me right there. Now I'm no Indiana Jones. I'm not scared of snakes, but I do not want to get hurt.
What did you think of your adventure?
It's been great so far. That was a heart-stopping encounter, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. Wow.
Sure hope we don't run into another one of those.
Well, I'm sure a lot of them live there.
And it's been 10 minutes since I started recording. Or 11. Yeah. It's been 11 minutes since I started recording. I'm pretty sure the viewers are gonna get really excited by the snake part. Yep. I can already see the reactions. That's the first. Looks like we arrived back where we started.
You can do it again if you want.
Yeah, we'll stop.
Okay.
We'll stop.
Get a sip of water.
Yeah, maybe I'll take the route backwards and live stream it this time.
Okay.
After we stop and have our snacks, of course.
So you want to go have a snack now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.